first of all, I will start with color correcting my face because the foundation which I use is not of my shade. Foundation. Oh. I might be looking like a clown to you right now, but trust me, trust the process, even if you don't trust me. So I'm just working out my way with this stupid shade. This that I don't even have a compact powder right now. Base is almost done. Now we are going to apply a blush, and for this Douyin makeup look, a cream blush will be more suitable than a powder blush. But you know what, guys, I don't have a cream blush too. I'm applying a pink blush on the center of my nose, this shade. Some blush on my chin too. Going to use a pink shade again. I am thinking of using this and this one, these two. Using a darker shade right now for my inner corners. See, you just have to place your brush in your inner corners, then drag it out. I'm going to use a thin brush now, and I'm using a very bright red shade to make this Aegyosal or Aegosal. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, because that's what it is called. See. I'm using the same red eyeshadow to make a small wing. Now let's apply an eyeliner. Where is my eyeliner? Use this shade right here. Using the same brush and eyeshadow to contour my nose. Now using a rounded brush to apply a little bit of highlighter on the tip of my nose. Applying a darker red shade of blush. And then using a pink shade. Little bit of highlighter on the apple of my cheeks. You can see that shine. Now, Everything is done. We are just left with applying the eyeliner and doing the lips. So first I will be doing the lips. A red lip liner. You don't have to apply it, just apply a little bit and then just rub it off slightly so that to give that blurring effect. Complete. I'm just left with doing my eyeliner, so give me a second. Now I'm done with applying my eyeliner. I'll be back to show you all my final look. So this is my final makeup look. Tell me in the comments how did you like this makeup look, and also tell me if you will recreate this look or not. This was my first time trying the Douyin makeup look, and with so much of chaos. As you all saw in the video, I didn't have a foundation which matched my shade, but still somehow I managed to pull off this look. I think so. Yeah, so that's it for the video. Thank you for watching this, and do subscribe my channel for more such upcoming looks and tutorials. Bye! Today we are doing the Douyin makeup look. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right.